Hey guys, welcome to the show. Today we're going to be making our own AI influencer. Making videos, making a move, designing our own character, and even generating some money from them. Did you know it is the latest craze going on the internet? Nothing is real anymore. Everyone is an avatar. Check out this platform, Higgsfield AI, makes it super easy to make your own AI influencer. Now, these guys, they are specialists in image generation, video generation, all these kind of crazy things you can do with AI. They make it really easy, and they got a new feature called AI Influencer. And that's what we're going to be checking out today. So they got all these templates you can just jump in and play with. So you can choose, it's kind of like make your own video game character. Do you know in those games where you can just edit your character? You can do it right here live. And what's crazy is they have this new feature called Earn, in which you can, when you post your character on Instagram, if you make a good video, they'll actually pay you money. And they've got all of these different AI generations that they've made. Like, look at that. Just look at these guys dancing, this alien dude, product sales, weightlifting. Is just fantastic generations that you can make. And it's all in your hands here. So let's just jump into AI Influencer, their new feature, and just see if we can make our own character together. So we got a human, ant, a bee, iguana, crocodile, octopus, an elf, a mantis. They got so many different character types you can start off with and they've also created new. I'm going to go with a human and I'm going to go male. I'm going to stick to myself. Ethnicity, so you can choose whereabouts in the world you're from. They're really inclusive on the generations. So I'm going to go with mixed. That one sounds cool. And skin color, purple. I'm going to be purple. Yo, that's cool. Or should I be red? Or should I be gray? I'll be silver. Mixed colors. Oh, mixed colors. Look right there. I've got all the settings there. So you can remove the settings if you've chosen too much like me. So I'll just say this one, all right? Mixed colors. Now colors. I'm going to pick blue eyes because my dad had blue eyes. Pigmentation. Oh, I can give myself scars, cracked, wrinkled skin. I'm going to be an adult. And there's advanced settings as well. So you can go really in the weeds to perfect your character. Glowing eyes, that is cool. All right, that's enough for me. Generate influencer. So I'm gonna see that, and then I'm gonna make myself as a female as well. I'm not just doing males. I'm gonna go all creative. I know how to make money on the internet. I'm gonna be doing it properly. Female version of me. So what females like that? Boom, same situation. Generate. So I got two generations happening right now. Right now, the server is overloaded. All these people, they're going to be making AI characters and they're going to be making some money as well. So boost your earnings by 130% with Higgsfield Earn. The longer your video stays relevant, the more you earn. Our smart tracking system monitors the content. So you post it on Instagram, you give them the link and they monitor its performance. And depending on how it performs, you can earn. It's up to 2,500. Is that real? 3 simple steps to make money. And just like that, I'm Deacon. It has been made. I'm mixed, so I'm half black, half white. I like it. Although I'm fully black body, so I've just got a funny skin there. Now, look at that. They got a video creation button as well. So I'll click that video creation button and you get to choose a viral motion library. So what kind of dance you want to give, explore more. And there's all these different motions we can make. Deacon do. I mean, this guy's a dude. Let's just see whatever he's doing. You choose what quality you want to get. I'm going to get 1080p. Now, these generations, these ones do cost credits. So 720p is 1 credit a second. 1080p is 1.5 credits a second. This platform, it has a pricing plan of different subscriptions. So I'm on the ultimate plan, and that gives me 1,200 credits a month. So every second is about 1 credit. So I can make 1,200 seconds or 1.5 of that. I'm just going to go. I'll hit generate and I get 10 free to start off with. So that's cool. I'm not using any credits for this one. I'm also going to jump back and see what my female generation is up to. And boom, I got the half and half female. What's this? You can edit in Nana Banana Pro. So this is the basis of my character. I can also edit her. And I can use her as a basis to also generate new generations from her base using Nano Banana, which is Google's premier top quality AI image generation model. So I'll click reference right there with that reference button. and I'll say in front of the Eiffel Tower. So I'm going to do a 2K generation, which is only 8 credits. That one is good. I'm going to do 9 by 16 because I do want it to be portrait still using Nano Banana Pro, and generate 4 different generations based on that prompt. So I'll get different choices of the images that I get. I'll hit generate just like that. And now it's in the queue to make 4 images based on her as a reference. In the era, nothing is real anymore and you get paid for it. So look here right there. I've just made, in a matter of a few seconds, I've got my lady in front of the Eiffel Tower, ready to post on Instagram. Now, deliberately, this half lady, half and half, yeah, she doesn't look real, which is good. Good for AI to know that it is an AI. A lot of people are fooling real people that these characters are real people and they're making money that way. But yeah, this is a nice generation. Look right in front of the AI. We just generated her. She's not real, except this image just looks fantastic. Just look at the quality. I mean, maybe if I'm getting into the weeds, maybe is that good? Maybe it's a bit of fuzziness around the Eiffel Tower. Maybe. Yeah, there's that building there. Looks different. So you can probably tell it's not the real Eiffel Tower if you are a Parisian native and you know the area. But if you're a foreigner like me, you wouldn't know. And look at this image as well. Looks gorgeous. Less people there, so it doesn't look as real. They even made her fully white. They forgot about the half and half. I guess that's Nano Banana is using Google's proprietary model, so they are indecisive on, they are in control of what happens, and even got a little warning sign here saying Nano Banana is affected by Google's infrastructure. Generations may fail due to, these guys know what you guys are going to be making. Now, what I'll also do while I'm waiting for the AI video generation to be done, I'm going to go back to the lovely lady and I'm going to make a video out of it. Since it's free, you get 10 free viral motions. So this looks like a cool dance. I'm just taking this one. This one looks gorgeous. We've got this dance, 1080p, making a video and generate. All right, and they're both done. Let's start with the dude first. He's doing a dance. He looks good, you know. It's amazing. The motions it's kept in. I don't know if I can use this animation on YouTube. And the lady version. Oh, the dance is good. It's made the character fully black. It forgot that she was half and half. But you can just make another generation. Hopefully it will get it right. But you can see the motion is definitely gorgeous. And it is definitely a beautiful generation. So once that's done, you can just download the video and go ahead and start earning your moolah, making your own avatar. And it's going to be good. Fun future we've entered in. So let me know what you guys think of Higgsfield AI, the new avatar generator. Hope you guys found this video useful and enjoyed the avatars.